Dredging operations are important because we want to increase Brownsville's water storage capacity. My name is Juan Degollado. I am the foreman for the Resaca Maintenance Department. Throughout the years, there's accumulated sediment along the water beds. We remove that sediment and replace it with water. We're expanding our storage capacity. As we remove this material via hydraulic means, via dredging, the actual equipment, the dredge equipment is removing that material, and in this particular case, piping it straight into the geotextile tube bags. With this system, we are able to adapt to the space that we're given, so that's a big advantage. This project is one of several PUB projects underway that aim to ensure sustainable, resilient, and affordable water supply to our community. Brownsville residents understand the need for water security and care deeply about our local resacas. That's why here at PUB we are committed continuously to improve our operations, which not only lower costs, but also protect the community's resources.